Hello, my name is Sunita. I'm a respiratory physio.
Welcome to your education session on energy conservation and pacing. Today we will be talking about how we can preserve energy and pace activity throughout the day. The aim of today's session is to understand what energy conservation is, to learn tips to conserve energy, to understand what you can do to help yourself with energy conservation in daily living, and to know where to get help and support regarding equipment and social care. Firstly, let's talk about what energy conservation is. So, energy conservation is using your energy wisely to find a healthy balance between activity and rest, making the most of your body's available energy. So, getting the most activity or work done using the least amount of energy. The basic principles of energy conservation is 3 P's. So, the P's are pacing, prioritizing, and planning. Let's talk about pacing now. So, pacing means you're spreading your task or work throughout the day. So, don't cramp your activities together. So, allowing yourself regular rest break or even lying down if you need to. Stop before you become overtired. Adjust your list of things to do if you need to. Do half today and half tomorrow. So, avoid rushing. Alternative activity tasks such as shopping and cleaning with quiet tasks such as reading or watching television. So that's pacing. Let's talk about prioritizing now. So prioritizing, you're questioning yourself. So it's about questioning whether everything needs to be done today or can some tasks wait until tomorrow. Question whether you actually need to do something. Is it necessary? Check whether you can get someone to help you. Don't commit yourself to things that are unmanageable. Set yourself realistic and achievable goals. Aim to complete the activities which are most important and satisfying to you. Now let's talk about planning. Choose the best time of the day for the activity. Make the list or keep a diary. Break a job down into stages and work out what is needed for the job. Sometimes doing things a little and often can be more effective than trying to do a task in one go. Think through each task. What are the basic activities involved? For example, will you be sitting or standing or walking for that particular job? Plan ahead. Organize tasks and distribute heavier activities throughout the day. Balance heavy activities such as heavy shopping, gardening, cleaning, or washing windows with light activities such as dusting, light weeding, or buying few things from the shop. Organize the timing of activities to avoid unnecessary trips. For example, limit the need to go constantly up and down stairs. Remember, if you cannot complete an activity in one breath, such as bending to tie shoes, sit up, inhale and exhale again while bending to finish the activity. Energy conservation will in turn give you more energy for other activities such as exercise and leisure. The aim is to learn how not to waste energy so that when you need the energy for a fun activity, you have got it. Benefits of energy conservation. Energy conservation can help avoid fatigue, pain, short of breath, and activity cycling. Activity cycling is when you get caught up in the underactivity or overactivity cycle. If you do too much, you feel exhausted and then stop doing everything to compensate. Pain not only affects you physically, it can also affect you emotionally and can impact on your relationship with others. Fatigue means feeling weary, weak, or exhausted and can make you less efficient, and this can have an impact on your independence and safety. It can also create psychological difficulties. Short of breath can lead to you avoiding activity. This can result in a reduction in independence and ability, and consequently a loss in self-esteem. Improved quality of life. This means to be able to do the things that you enjoy. Top tips to help you conserve your energy. Those are frequent rest, blow as you go, breathing control, use good manual handling technique, and consider alternatives. So, frequent rest. Taking frequent rest before, during, and after completing a task. Frequent short rest periods are better than a few long ones. The practice of resting before you become tired or exhausted is so effective that it should be your top priority in energy conservation. Don't fall into the trap of 5 minutes more. Always exhale during the most strenuous part of the activity. For example, exhale as you lift an object, heavy object, or push the vacuum cleaner away from you. When bending forward, exhale as you bend down and inhale when you come up or sit up. Always use breathing control while walking or going up or down the stairs. Sit during as many activities as possible. Do not carry equipment if you can push it. Use both hands whenever possible while carrying items. Slide rather than lift object. Push object rather than pull them. Always try to bend at the knee rather than the waist when you're lifting. Keep your back straight and bend your knees. Hold the object as close to you as possible at waist height. Keep a wide base of support and use both hands if possible. So maintaining good posture is very important. Avoid prolonged gripping or holding of objects. Let's talk about environment. Making adjustment to your home environment can help you with your activities. Here are some examples. Use labor-saving devices such as food processor or microwave in the kitchen. Try to use utensils that are lightweight and easy to use. Clean utensils and surfaces as you go along. Store things you are regularly using in cupboards or on shelves that you can easily reach. Organize your closet, shelves, and drawers. Keep all items in the area that you use them to avoid extra walking to find them. Keep duplicate of items used most frequently in conveniently located areas, such as cleaning product for bathroom and kitchen. Cook on Sunday for the entire week or have backup meals in the freezer if you are unwell. Invest on a rollator or trolley. Make sure you have adequate lighting and ventilation. Place a chair at the top or bottom of your stairs. Get a box to catch your incoming letters rather than having to bend down to pick them. Activities of daily living. These are day-to-day activities that we all need to complete. This include washing, dressing, feeding, mobility, transferring, toileting. You may find over time doing things which were simple to do when you were younger or more fitter are becoming more difficult. By pacing these activities and breaking them down, they become more achievable and we can feel more comfortable doing them. The idea is to complete these activities with less effort and wasted energy. This means you can save your energy for what you want to use it for. For example, seeing children or grandchildren or shopping. Don't rush out of bed. Wake to music, exercise before you get up. Get dressed sitting on the edge of the bed. Showering requires more energy than bathing. Be aware of the humidity. Use a bathrobe to dry yourself. Avoid strong scent in confined spaces. Keep mentally active and set goals. Use a shower seat and handheld shower head when showering or bathing. Find equipment that can help you, such as grab rail, a perching stool, equipment to help you get in and out of the bath, a long-handled sponge for washing feet and back. Your occupational therapist can give you more information and advice. You can also find some of the aids for daily living in your nearby mobility shops. There are lots of gadgets on the market, some helpful, some others not so helpful. If you're struggling with anything, there will be something available to assist. Ask for help when you need to. Delegate tasks that are too strenuous, like scrubbing floor or moving furniture. You'll be surprised to learn just how many people have no clue at how difficult things are for people with a lung condition, but who would be more than willing to help if you just ask them. Relaxation. Relaxation is an important part of energy conservation. It can help you to control your anxiety, reduce stress, reduce pain and discomfort, improve the quality of life, and increase your vitality. It allows your body's natural pain relief to work more effectively. So practice relaxation techniques regularly. When you relax, you help restore energy to your body. Make sure to schedule relaxation period during your day. When doing so, concentrate on relaxing all your muscles and slowing down your breath. These are the information for external support. Please do speak to your GP or one of the clinician here for further information.
That is the end of the session. If you have any questions, please speak to your healthcare professionals, or you can go on British Lung Foundation website, which is www.blf.org.uk. Thank you for listening.